Hey, this is Lady C. And in this episode, I am so excited to show you what happens to an email account when someone tries to send you an email to that temporary address after you've deleted it. Check this out. Here I am in the inbox. It shows mail delivery. And what you're going to notice is address not found. And this is for the Savvy Tech Real Estate at Yahoo email account that I created in a previous lesson. So they will be notified when you delete that account, or basically just being told that this address cannot be found. So this is what it looks like. All right, now, this is a good thing for people who are so tired of getting inundated with a lot of emails. But if you happen to create a temporary account and you gave this email to someone important that you didn't intend to, and now you're waiting for an email from that individual, be sure to watch my video on how to restore an account after it's been deleted, because there are options that you can bring that back. So make sure you watch that video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. Please drop your comments below and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. All righty. See you on the next one.